fixed?
Just started to rattle on the way.
Did it?
Yeah.
G'day gang. See what happens when you purchase a new car? What do you think's wrong with her? The oil in it's nice and clean. I know exactly what's wrong with it. Let's see, get me torch and let's have a look down the hole. She's got some muck in there. When you start this thing up first thing, you can hear this almighty whirring. It's the oil pump struggling to pick the oil up because the screen's either collapsed or it's clogged up with muck, and so is the filter. I think this thing's chockers. I'm going to pull the sump off. Let's have a look underneath, and it looks like someone's already been in here. I can't say for certain because Toyota, their silicon is generally very uniform. A bit of a CV leak there by the look of it, and a bit of oil leak here and there. There's the filter. I don't know if it looks like it's been off for a while or not, but I'll drop this manifold off it and drop the oil out of it. We'll have a look at the filter and we'll have a look at the screen. Well, certainly got some colour about it, but not horrible. So there's the filter. Let's have a look in there. Oh yeah. Well, we've got a screwdriver. This fellow will do us. Look at that. Yeah. That filter is chockers. What's it like in there? It's a bit grubby. Let's tip this out in there.
Yeah, sweet.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Yeah, she got lots of muck. Oh, I'm gonna loose. Oh, I just got visions. I've got visions. Oh yeah. There we go. There we go. Crispy. Crispy.
Sludge.
What's it like up in there, eh? Oh yeah.
Cake.
She's blocked up. Look at the muck that's up in there. We get oil on you then? No. We knew what it was going to look like. That's filthy. Yeah, so there you go. One big mess. And I'd say it's been a while since it's been done before because that's really choked up. That's not good. It's just, look at it. Get a screwdriver again. We'll just have another dig at that. And see, that's just going to keep coming back more and more. Unfortunately, that's quite a chunk. Yeah. No, I can only do what I can do. I was going to grab the oxy, but I decided to use the heat gun. This will just turn that whatever's in there into ash, and I can blow it out then. It's getting warm. This will take a little bit. I'll bring it back when this is all cleaned up. So it's going to ash there. There's a nice big chunk of ash. On both sides of the screen. Screws it all up. Keep going on with this for a bit longer and yeah. It's coming up now. There we go. Nice and clean. Yeah. Nice and clean. I might just give it a little once over again. I think we've pretty much got everything out of there now, I think. Heat, mate. Best thing for that. So what causes this? It's generally from short distance travel, where the engine doesn't get enough temperature in it to enable it to evaporate all the impurities, the moisture, the fuel vapors, all that stuff that goes in through the PCV and is supposed to get burnt again. It's not happening at all. So let's see what happens. I reckon it's going to have a bit of a rattle right at the very beginning, but we should have oil pressure pretty quickly. Oil light gone. Horrible noise is gone. It sounds actually like it might have a bit of water pump noise there, but yeah. That'll be fine, I think. Have yourselves a good one. We'll check you later.